Hey guys, what's happening guys? We're back again with a brand new video.
That's right guys, we've got easy curry chicken and rice.
Yeah man, easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Trust me guys.
Trust me.
Why it's so easy, bro?
You know what? It's just using a few ingredients guys. It's not like your authentic Caribbean curry chicken. But you know, sometimes you know a little quick and easy thing when you get home from work, when you're tired.
Yeah.
So you kind of just fling everything together. So the seasoning process, you season it with salt, pepper, curry powder, and you basically add your onions, your garlic, your spring onions all in together.
And it is a boneless thighs as well. You're still getting the juiciness of like a boned chicken, but you're not getting the actual bones.
It's invisible.
And it's actually quicker as well in the food process. So guys, you're gonna absolutely love it.
Yeah man.
It's super quick, super easy. If you do want a traditional curry chicken recipe, we've got that as well. It's all good. But this is traditional. This is definitely traditional in flavour.
For everyone as well guys. The kids will love it as well. There's no bones in there, so you get me. Sometimes you just have some, you want to eat a piece. You don't eat just picking up bones all the time, you know what I'm saying? It's long. So make this recipe guys. Comment below what recipe you want to see next.
Right guys.
So remember to subscribe, like and share guys.
Right, big up yourself and enjoy the recipe.
One love.
Firstly, you need your chicken. You're using boneless and skinless chicken thighs because they're so easy and quick to cook with. Season with some salt, some black pepper, some curry powder, ginger, 1 onion, some garlic, spring onions, scotch bonnet, and get all those flavors marinating together. This is a quick and easy process guys because you're adding all the dry and fresh ingredients together, which saves a lot of time. Marinate overnight for maximum results, or for a few hours.
Now in a large pan, add your oil and make sure it's hot, and then pour in the seasoned curry chicken and allow that to sizzle down and brown the chicken guys. This is the key element to getting the perfect curry sauce guys. Take your time to brown it up, each piece at a time. Then add in your water and add in your chicken granules. So the chicken granules part is a tip that our nan taught us. It just enhances the curry sauce and it gives it that extra flavour. Now stir it all up, combining it all together. And add in your potatoes, chopped carrots and mix together. And it should produce a thick, creamy gravy guys.
Pop the lid on and cook for around 25 minutes on a medium to high heat until the chicken is juicy and tender. Wow, guys, look at this. This looks great and it smells even better as well. Now to plate up, so pour that juicy, tender, succulent chicken on the rice. And guys, don't forget that gravy. You need that gravy on the rice as well. There you have it guys, our easy curry chicken recipe you can make at home for your family and friends. Take care and one love.